Now, while welcoming the Joint Select Committee to review the job descriptions, opposition leader Mark Golding had some concerns.
It will be interesting to see how the actual modalities of that Joint Select Committee will be implemented so as to enable it to be an entity that can actually create a code from scratch by reference to examples that exist abroad and so on. But that's not normally how Joint Select Committees work. I would have thought that a code of conduct, a draft, a proposal, a green paper would have been brought to Parliament, which could then be analysed and perhaps amended substantially, but would at least form the basis for discussions, rather than seeking to have this Joint Select Committee initiate something itself, which may be difficult. But we will withhold judgment on that.
Now, the opposition leader is also taking the government to task over the seeming reluctance by the Finance Ministry to make public the Ernst and Young report, which informed the public sector wage review process. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark has insisted that the report is not a secret.
Document that's available was shared with the Confederation of Trade Unions and shared with other unions as well. And two, the request that was made was not, usually they don't get through, they escalate, and it escalates and comes up to the minister and they ask, hey, what is happening? This time they chose not to escalate, they just went and printed. And I saw it in the newspaper for the first time, like everybody else. I just wanted to add that to the...
But Mr. Golding argues that critical stakeholders have not seen the document.
Over the months, said they had not seen the ENY report. And the minister has chosen those words carefully, no doubt, when he speaks to the report that is available. And that what we're being told is that the report that has been requested is a draft and is not going to be released, and they're relying on some provision in the Access to Information Act to deny access to it to the public. And I think that's a bad thing. It's not transparent. And I urge the minister, who apparently didn't even know that decision was made, which is a surprise to say the least, countermands it and releases the report.